Hi, my name is Sylvia Pericles and I'm going to show you how I created this illustration using Adobe Fresco. I like to start my illustration by sketching out a concept using the pencil pixel brush. Once I'm satisfied with the overall look of my sketch, the next step is to add color. After adding color to my illustration, I decided to add a bit of motion. Once I selected the layer I wanted to add motion to, I went ahead and duplicated each frame until I had the desired number of frames, sizes, and positions. I also replicated the same steps for the flowers below her feet. For majority of this illustration, I used the vector brush, and because I wanted to keep that same sharp look throughout my work as I added or removed parts of the drawing, I went ahead and used the vector trimming tool by locating the shortcut and double tapping. Once the outer layer turned blue, I went ahead and removed parts of the drawing I no longer wanted. Once I achieved my desired look, I double tap to exit and voila,